I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Hana Mahira.
So why are you girls so oppressed to wear hijab in Islam? What?
Can I have your phone?
My phone. Why do you want my phone?
Just give it to me. I will explain.
Okay.
Why are you obsessing the phone with this screen and spoiling the beautiful phone?
I'm not spoiling it. I'm protecting it as it's valuable.
You see, same way Almighty Allah is not obsessing to wear hijab.
Okay.
He's actually protecting us because we are more valuable. Do you understand?
Yes, very much.
May Allah bless you, Chakaka.